Welcome everyone. Question on pH and pOH. The pOH of a 0.03 molar HCl solution is, choices are A. 12.48, B. 11.62, C. 2.42, D. 1.52. Answer is A. 12.48. Explanation we will see in the next slide. 0.03 molar HCl. Therefore, concentration of H plus is equal to 0.03 molar. We know that pH is equal to minus log concentration of H plus, or pH is equal to minus log 0.03, or pH is equal to 1.52. We know that pH plus pOH is equal to 14, or pOH is equal to 14 minus pH, or pOH is equal to 14 minus 1.52. It is the value of pH, or pOH is equal to 12.48. Thank you for watching this video.